Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and installing the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 OC Edition. Let's get right into the video. So first off, you can take a look at the box. It looks fantastic, it looks gorgeous, and by the way, this will be my first impressions on unboxing and even taking a look at a GPU, because I've actually never seen a GPU in real life, nor have I held one. So this is going to be quite the journey. So we'll just give you a quick overview of the box here. You got all your stuff there, and then you got all that right there. Here, this will be better. You got all that. So this GPU has one DisplayPort connection, one HDMI, and one DVI. I know that's not a lot, but that'll make do for my setup. So we're gonna cut the tab right here so we can open it up. Wow, oh my god, that is so tiny. There's no way that's the GPU. We'll save the best for last. So we got our manual book. Alright, so we'll put this back in here. The GPU is right inside here. There we go, it's the GPU. So you can take a look. It's got all the plastic on it still, which I'll remove once I'm about to install it. But yeah, overall this is impressive. And if we take a look right here, this will be better, you can see. This is where the DisplayPort goes, this is where the HDMI goes, and then this is where the the DisplayPort.